Our friends at 49th and Market have come out with some mini collections. This happens to be the Sky mini collection. There's also Coral, Natural, and Sage. All of them have 4 double-sided papers, 12 by 12, and a ton of laser cuts. So let me show you. You can kind of see the snapshot of each of the papers, but let me give you an up-close and personal look of each one. Now, on the back of the cover, there is a paper that you can use. You can trim off the border. That's going to come in useful. And you can see that it has a very lightly colored palette. And look at this. Isn't that pretty? Really, no theme, no season that will work for anything. And on the back side of this, there are more. Leaves are just beautiful. And, ooh, isn't that a pretty collage? And that's what I love about 49th and Market. On the back side, we've got an all-over pattern, and again, a border. Here is more. Very, very pretty. Now, if you are a scrapbooker, you're going to probably put your photos in the middle. If you're a card maker, you're going to cut this puppy up and use it in many areas of your card making. Here is the back side, again, kind of like tape on over it, and you've got a stitched border that you can cut off. Here is another one, and on the back side, oh, isn't that pretty? Best Ever is along that border. Now, look at the laser. They are stunning. There are 70 in this paper pack, and they just pop out effortlessly. Lots of beads, isn't that fun? And you can see butterflies. We've got some stamps, tabs, just really, really nice. And some lace down there. Now on the other sheet, you get 2 sheets. There is another border of lace. And you've got some text cut into pieces. You've got a beautiful look there. You've got some collage. Now, to go with this collection, there's more, and there is washi tape. Now, you've probably not seen washi tape like this before. There are 2 of these sheets. I'll hold one right here, and each of them has 7 different strips of the washi tape. And you, of course, as with regular washi tape, you're just going to lift it up. Okay, my fingernails have all broken. Too much traveling. There we go. So you can see, you just lift it up. It's very translucent, just almost like a vellum, but it is washi tape. So you've got 7 inches of each of the 7 patterns, and you've got 2 of each. So you've got 14 strips. It's going to work beautifully with the Sky collection. Also, you might look at the Sky blossoms in the 49th and Market collection. Those flowers are going to work perfectly. Now, there is another new item, and this is called Eucalyptus Dreams, and this is a layered embellishment, and I'm going to slip it over here, and I'm going to take it out of the package so you can see all of those elements on black. I think they just show better to show you on this video, and many of them, they're all foam taped on. Many of them are layered, and that's just going to give extra dimension. They are plastic, which makes them shiny. And there are, let me see, 35 layered pieces, just like I showed you. Plus, there are 62 of these glitter bubbles. And they are just really, really fun. A very nice embellishment. And you can see all the artwork that's included here. There are 2 of them. This happens to be Eucalyptus Dreams. By the way, in the packaging, you can use this as a paper for your projects too. So that's a nice bonus. So Eucalyptus Dreams is this one. There is another one that might work okay. Parts of them will work with the Sky mini collection. This is called Wander, and you can see all of those. Many of those have a blue tint, so that would work also. In any case, this is the Sky mini collection. You've got the papers, the laser cut, and you have the washi tape all together, all available now.